Hello everyone and welcome to Smart Art September weekly challenge videos. My name is Jake and today I am going to be tackling the fourth and final challenge prompt for this month, that word being hungry. And speaking of hungry, I'm pretty hungry myself right now, so how about we hurry up, get into this drawing because I'm sure by the end we're all going to be a little hungry. So for this piece, I chose to take the ultimate challenge and use both pieces of paper that came in this box. My idea for this was that I was going to make a burger on the DURA-LAR sheet and then have a person drawn on the watercolor paper about to eat the burger. I thought this would be a fun idea to do since you could actually see through the DURA-LAR sheets a bit. So knowing this, I thought it would be pretty fun to try both the materials on the sheets that they work best on and see what kind of contrast I could get with this piece. And since they both take a little bit of time to dry fully, in between all the layers I'm just going back and forth to the other one until the other one is fully dry. Though I am a super impatient person apparently because I somehow still manage to smudge the watercolor piece a little bit. But this is a really fun experiment to try to work with the transparency. And honestly, I urge you to at least try something like this in your piece, because thinking in layers like this is a really fun exercise and it can really help you think a little different about your piece. But I am going to be quiet and I am going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this being made, but make sure you stay and see the final result. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word hungry. I like the way that this turned out, but let me know what you guys think down below. And don't forget there are 4 challenge prompts in total to do. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure and you'll find them back there. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on. That way you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these prompts myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over on my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. There's going to be a link for that in the description as well. But that is all for today, everyone. Thank you as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!